This 2026 Jayco Swift 20T twin beds, convert to king-size bed is a Class B RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features a Caribou interior, sleeps 2, air conditioning, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2026 Jayco Swift 20T twin beds, convert to king-size bed is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.